Alright guys, welcome back into Brady's Auto Repair. Today we're going to be changing oil in a 2010 Jeep Wrangler with a 3.8. This will be the same from '07 to 2011 Jeep Wranglers. So let's dig in. Alright, so we got our drain pan underneath. We've already got our oil and filter set up over here. We're going to go underneath and go ahead and break our drain plug loose. This drain plug is a 13 millimeter. Yours may be different. Alright, we've located our drain plug. Break it free. Now I want to give us our socket back. Our silicone on that, that's why it ain't want to come off. Alright, now that our oil is almost done draining, we'll take your drain plug, wipe it up, and Walmart, in their lovely oil changes, they put blue silicone, blue paint, blue something over this. Well, anyway, that's why the socket got stuck on the plug, was because of the blue crap that they put on that you can see right there. So we got that cleaned up. Reinstall our plug. It's also a good time to inspect your drain plug gasket if it's been leaking or whatnot. Now's a good time to take care of that. Alright, take your rag, wipe up around. Alright, and now we'll go to the front of the engine and get to our filter. Ready to change our oil filter. It's right here, located on the left or the right front of the motor on the 3.8. We want to reroute this transmission line, AC line, whatever that is. It has popped out of the clip up here. And we'll use a few zip ties and put that back on there like it's supposed to be. We don't want to lose that. Alright, now get our filter broke free. And we'll have more mud in the drain pan, then we're going to have oil. Alright, we got our old filter off. You want to inspect your surface here where the old filter was to be sure you don't double gasket. And by double gasket, meaning the old gasket off the old filter doesn't get stuck to the block. And then when you put the new filter on, you have two gaskets because it will leak. Alright, we got that as clean as we can get it, I think. Around the threads. Alright, we're going to prep our new filter with a little bit of oil on the O-ring. You can use old oil, new oil. It don't matter. You just want to put a little bit of oil in that O-ring. Alright, we got our filter prepped. And we will get this started. Alright, right there is where our filter meets the gold block. Now you go 1/2 to 3/4 of a turn. Right there will be a half. Right there will be 3/4. That's all you need. You don't have to use no pliers. You don't have to tighten these filters crazy. That's all it takes. Alright, now we'll go back. Well, let's wipe up our excess oil. And then we'll go up top and put some oil in it. Alright, we picked up our O'Reilly's 5W20 full synthetic. Your oil filler cap is on the passenger side valve cover. I just pop off the PCV hose because it is easier to get your funnel in there. That sounds funny. So we got our 6 quarts of 5W20 added in. And we'll remove our funnel. Reinstall our oil cap. And then reinstall PVC hose, PCV hose. Wipe up our funnel. Collect up our trash. We will pull our dipstick. Checking our oil, we're good. A little bit overfilled, but we haven't cranked it yet because there's no oil in the filter. So now we will start the engine. Oh, I'm sure that sounded good on the mic. I just face planted into this. We'll let this run and inspect for leaks. There is none. Alright, after you crank it up to verify you have no leaks, shut the engine off, let it set 30, 45 seconds up to a minute. We'll re-pull our dipstick. Wipe it off. And verify our oil level. And we are right on the money. Close the hood, oil change is complete. But now, we're going to go underneath and zip tie that line up so that doesn't get caught on something next week when we're out on the trails. Alright, so now we are going to get our oil change sticker installed. Alright, and now to reset the oil light, turn the key on 5 times to reset your oil light. Turn the key off, and it's done.